Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products, and in today's video I'm going to test a new eyeshadow palette, and I have this one from Natasha Denona. This is the new golden palette. I'm going to test this palette for the first time today. I'll do swatches, and I'm going to create this eye makeup look, and I'm also going to share with you guys my long-lasting makeup routine, what I like to do, and what makeup products I like to use to make my makeup last all day. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. In today's video, I'm going to test a new eyeshadow palette, but before I get to that part, I want to show you my long-lasting makeup routine. I want to show you what makeup products I like to use and what I like to do to make my makeup last all day. I'm going to use some of my favorite makeup products, and I'm going to start with my primer. So for my primer, I'm going to use this Synchro Skin Soft Blurring Primer. After trying so many face primers, I have to say that this is the best I've ever used. I feel like this primer works on every skin type, but what I can say is that on my acne texture skin, this is amazing. Blurs the pores, and my makeup lasts all day when I use this primer. I've tried it with many foundations, and this works with every foundation. So if I have to recommend you one primer right now, would be this by SHISEIDO. And for my foundation, I'm going to use this LANCôME Teint Idole Ultra Wear. I love the finish of this foundation. I love the formula. Has a nice thin formula. Is not heavy or cakey on the skin and lasts all day. And these two together makes my skin look amazing. So I want to use this foundation today. And I really love this IT Cosmetics brush, this number 7 brush. I only like to apply my foundations just with this brush lately. Next, I'm going to apply my concealer, and for today, I'm going to use this MERCIER Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer, and I'll also use this as my eyeshadow base. And next, I'm going to set everything in place with powder. I have oily skin, so I need to apply powder every time I do my makeup. And for my powder today, I'm going to use this GIVENCHY Prisme Libre in color 1. I love this powder because it blurs the pores, but also sets the makeup in place. Like, look at the difference with and without the setting powder on. Next, I'm going to apply bronzer, and for today, I'm going to use this one by DIOR. This is DIOR Forever Natural Bronze in the shade Tan Bronze. I love the color of this bronzer. I like the formula, doesn't emphasize my pores, my acne, or my texture, and lasts all day on my skin. And for my blush highlighter, I'm going to use this powder blush from Rare Beauty in the shade Cheer. And I'll go over with my powder puff to blend out the edges. And next I'm going to test my new eyeshadow palette, this Natasha Denona Golden Palette. This is how the box looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. And this is the color story. So, about this new Natasha Denona Golden Eyeshadow Palette, it is a new and elevated 15-shade version of Natasha's iconic gold palette in her signature formulas, designed to create mesmerizing golden hued looks. And highlights of the palette: pressed powder formula without parabens, metallic finish, long wearing, shimmer finish, and cruelty free, is made in Italy and has 24 months shelf life. I love the color story in this eyeshadow palette. All of these colors looks gorgeous. So next I'm going to swatch all of these colors on the back of my hand. This is Mliko, a matte cream powder of white. Next is Varis, a metallic medium antique brass. This is Aurum, a metallic muted gold. This is Nubia, a sparkling foil gold nude champagne. This is Aura, a metallic golden ivory. This is Log, a matte dark brown. This is Pana, a matte cream powder beige. This is Thick, a matte medium dusty caramel. This is Oro, a metallic warm gold. This is Area, a matte medium light dusty sand. Next is Cava, a sparkling champagne gold. This is Flesh, a matte light warm nude. Next is Fizzy, a sparkling wet effect golden nude. Next is Sandstone, a matte medium ochre. And the last one, Alchemist, is a metallic brass. So this is how all of these colors look swatched on my hand. And this is how the palette looks now after I've swatched all of these colors. All of these colors feels very luxe, creamy and pigmented. So let's try this palette. I don't know what makeup look I want to do, but I know I want to use as many colors as possible. I'm going to start first with this color called Flesh. Wow, this is pigmented. Some on my under eyes. Next, I'm going to apply this Mlaiko on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to use this sandstone on the outer corners. Some on my lower lash line. I'm going to use a clean brush with this color Take on the outer corners. Some on my lower lash line. On the outer corners. I'm going to apply this log closer to my lash line on the outer corners. Some on my lower lash line. And I'm going to use this panna to blend out the edges. Okay, these colors are very easy to blend and I don't get any fallouts on my under eyes, which is great. I want to apply this next. I feel like this will work better with the fingers, so I'm going to use my fingers. I also want to apply this shimmer shade. Okay, I love this one more. This is like a topper, I love it. And I'm going to apply this fizzy just in here. And I want to try this on my under eyes. And I also want to use this one. Just in here. And this aura on my inner corners. I'm going to use my fingers. With the shimmer shades, use your fingers for the best results. I'm going to use again this. To create my eyeliner. And I think that's everything. I've used as many colors as possible. So next I'm going to apply my mascara and something on my lips, and I'll be right back to give you my final impressions for my new eyeshadow palette. So this is the finished makeup result. On my lips I have these two by Charlotte Tilbury, this Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Iconic Nude. With this Pillow Talk lipstick. And on my lashes, I have this Sweet Beauty Pro Lash Lift Mascara. I use this mascara a lot. This is my new favorite mascara. And if I really want my makeup to last all day, I would use a setting spray. And my favorite setting spray is this by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Now, final impressions for my new eyeshadow palette, this new golden palette from Natasha Denona. I like the finished eye makeup look with this eyeshadow palette, but I would love to know your guys' opinion, so please let me know in the comments down below if you like the eye makeup look. All of these colors are very creamy, very pigmented, very good quality. I feel like we can do something for everyday makeup with this palette or a glam makeup look. The formula is amazing. The colors are very creamy, pigmented, and very good quality. So I recommend you to buy this eyeshadow palette if you like the color story. And if you know that you are going to use this palette a lot, I'll have to see how long lasting are these colors. But I've never had any problems with other palettes from Natasha Denona. So I have high hopes for it. But for now, I like this palette. I'm excited to use it again. So I'll use this palette more and I'll update you about everything in my next video. I would love to know from you guys if you have this palette and if you like it. And please let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!